Everyone knows Claude has usage limits, but are you actually tracking how much you've used? Here's how to check your remaining limit, so you never get caught off guard mid-conversation. First, click on your name or profile icon at the bottom left corner of the Claude window. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. The Settings panel will open. By default, it shows the General tab with your profile information, but we don't need this, we need the Usage section. On the left sidebar, click on Usage. Here is your usage dashboard. At the top, you'll see your plan, in this case, Pro. Below that is your current session usage. This shows how much of your message limit you've used in this session and when it will reset. In this example, it's at 20% and resets in about 4 hours and 46 minutes. Next is weekly limits. This shows your overall usage across all models for the week. Here it shows 39% used, and it resets on Wednesday at 8:29 a.m. Below that, you'll also see additional features like daily routine runs, which shows how many automated routines you've run today. At the very bottom, there's also an option called Usage Credits. You can turn this on if you want Claude to keep working even after you hit your limit, but note that this may involve additional charges. Know exactly where to check before your next heavy Claude session. Make it a habit. A quick check here saves you from hitting the wall at the worst possible moment. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Claude tips like this.